Hello everyone, this is Moshe the Electric Israeli, and thank you again for watching my channel. If you are new, please subscribe, help me change the world one electric car at a time. Those who are coming back, thank you for my patrons. And those who ordered their Tesla through my link, thank you. I am going to have 1,000,000 free supercharging miles through your order, so thank you so much, and so do you. And today I'm going to continue with the theme I started the other day. Who is going to buy Tesla? So there are so many rumors. And who might be buying Tesla? Just a reminder, Tesla had a really rough week last week. Stock tumbled, and emails and all kinds of shenanigans and doom and gloom. And I am still a big believer, and we'll see what happens. But there was a rumor that Apple may buy Tesla, Google, Amazon, and the newest one that I read today. Guys, this is not my opinion. Don't be mad at me. I don't want this to happen. I'm just telling you what I see, what I read. By the way, most of the information about electric cars I get from financial blogs, from financial news, not necessarily from EV blog, even though I read them as well, but most of it is from financial news. So the latest one, it might be Ford. So couple things just we know. There are two kinds of acquisitions. They're like what we call an angel acquisition, meaning a company that really believes in these things and want to do a good thing and buy a company and grow it and make it better and merge and all that stuff. Good stuff, as we say. And there's hostile acquisition and hostile takeover. We'll talk about it a little bit later. I'll get back to both of those in a minute. So you know, in general, according to experts in the market, blah, 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 Tesla market capitalization is about $34 billion, which is a lot of money, based on all kinds of things. Now, Tesla, if you think about it, Tesla, besides being a great car company, they have like 3 or 4 incredibly unique advantages. Battery technology, powertrain, the motor, the electric motor, excuse me, AI, artificial intelligence having to do with the autopilot, future autonomous cars and all that, and of course battery storage and solar panels and all that stuff. So they are lightning years ahead of so many other manufacturers and car companies. However, they are making they are I was not making a comeback. They are catching up. That's it. That's what I want to say. They are catching up, and that's a good thing. It's not a bad thing. So why with Ford or let's say Volkswagen or GM or want to buy Tesla? Let's focus on Ford because that's what I read. Why would Ford do that? Listen, you are basically cutting years of learning curve. That's what you do. You're cutting years of learning curve by doing just that, because you get this technology and you implement it to what you have, you built on what you have, and you ready to go for your electric trucks, for your electric vans, for your electric cars, and whatever that is. But the issue is with Ford or let's say GM or any other company that $34 billion, that's a lot of money. It's a lot of money. So that's when angel takeover versus hostile takeover can take place. If somebody wants to, let's say, to merge and to do things together and to help out, to buy Tesla, that could be a car company that has the same mindset, that really want to get into this mission and transform all their vehicles to electric, like Volkswagen said, and all that. That's a good thing. A hostile takeover can be a company who just want to wait until, let's say, Tesla breaks apart, the stock price goes down to $50. I'm totally making stuff up. And then you take over the company, you break it apart, you sell each part, you make tons of money. Everything else you throw away, and basically the company is dissolved. And that's what a hostile takeover. So I would assume that no car company, I looked at the numbers of everybody in terms of available cash, so to speak, or investment cash, so to speak. I don't see any company that has all that money to buy Tesla at this point with their current valuation. if in the future, God forbid, they go to half or all that, then you can talk about maybe a $10 billion takeover or $12 billion takeover, not $34-35 billion. So hopefully it never gets to that, because I love my Tesla so much and I don't want anything bad to happen to it. But it's interesting how it's like vultures. They're like waiting for waiting for the gazelle to die so they can vulture and eat it apart. So hopefully that doesn't happen and Tesla will thrive and succeed. But I'm here to tell you the news. That's all I'm here to say. And then I give you my opinions, and my opinion is that I hope it doesn't happen. Well, that's not an opinion, it's a hope. Thank you guys for watching. See you tomorrow in another video.